Do I need to hold it?
Why are you here?
Sorry?
What are you doing here?
I'm shocked to see this, that Imran Khan is in jail. He shouldn't be in jail. I feel like the bald guy, the big bald fat guy, he should be in jail.
One guy, you mean Nawaz Sharif?
Yes.
Why he need to go to jail?
Well, obviously he's not doing his job right, and Imran Khan shouldn't, Imran Khan should be in jail. He's innocent, and all he's doing is trying to protect the country, and the bald guy is just literally sitting there eating, literally taking money from innocent people, and that's my opinion.
What do you know about the Pakistan? Like, who controls the Pakistan?
Well, the army is controlling it, so,
But in the UK, you saw the army around here.
yeah, but sure, that's their job. They need to protect the borders, they need to protect the country, they need to protect the people. So,
But in Pakistan,
nah, they're not protecting it, really.
what they do?
They're just sitting there, literally feeding off of people's money, feeding off of innocent people, doing just wrong things. It's just making the country more poorer than it already is. It's becoming worse than it already is.
Any message for Pakistan army? They need to go to the borders.
Yeah, go to the borders and do your job right. That's it.